Hi friends, how are you all? Now today we will start our lesson number 5, India's heritage and heritage of science and technology. Discoveries of invention in the field of science and technology have brought countries through countries of the world score. Cooperation among all the nations has increased, hence new attitude has developed. Countries have become oriented towards peaceful coexistence and world peace. So in India, which things are very important, you see, science and technology, both things are very useful for us. First thing is here metallurgy. Since in ancient time, the people of India used metallurgy in their practical life. Ancient India made extraordinary progress in the field of metallurgy. Metallurgy means, metallic idol of female dancer discovered from Indus Valley civilization is an exemplary achievement of ancient India. Later, statues of Buddha belonging to the Kushan period have been found at Takshila. In South India, during the Chola period, numerous metal idols were made. The statue of Nataraj, you see, God Shankar's Nataraj masterpiece in sculpture is famous all over the world. It is preserved in museum at Chennai. Which things present in museum Chennai? Nataraj masterpiece. Okay. Another well-known metal idol Ram, the archer, can be seen in the museum. Artistic statue of god, goddess, birds and animals, and betel nut cutters are considered to be the best example of the metallic art. All of them have important place in the history of India. Metallurgy is very important topic, so read it carefully. Next topic is chemistry. Chemistry is an experimental science. This science is very useful in various minerals, plants, seeds for agriculture, making of various metals or to bring change in them. It is also useful for making medicine. Acharya Nagarjuna, please underline Acharya Nagarjuna, here name is there, a learned Buddhist of Nalanda University, is known as Acharya in the field of chemistry. Acharya Nagarjuna is known as the field of chemistry. He had written books like Ras Tarankar and Arogya Manjari. Acharya Nagarjuna advocated the use of allopathy medicines with the herbal medicines. It is believed that the use of mercury as medicine was invented by him. Nalanda University had its own school of chemistry and furnace for study and research. The descriptions for main rasa, uprasa, 10 types of poisons as well as various types of salts and ash of minerals is seen in the chemistry. The copper statues of Buddha reflect an expert knowledge and skill in the field of chemistry. The copper statue of Buddha discovered from Sultanganj in Bhagalpur district, please underline, of Bihar, is 7.5 feet high and weighs 1 ton. The statue of Buddha at Nalanda is 18 feet high. Students, please underline this point. These points are very useful for you. An example of Vijay Stambh. Vijay Stambh is 24 feet high. Here you see, okay, picture also. Okay, which weighs 7 tons, built by Chandragupta II. Second, in spite of nature is furry. Furry means anger over centuries. The pillar has not yet corroded. This is the best example of alchemical lore of India. Means alchemical lore means chemistry of India. This is the important point, important things for us. Next topic is science is medicine and surgery. How science is useful for us in medical or surgery. India attained the unprecedented achievement in the field of medicine and surgery since ancient period. Maharishi Charak, name of Maharishi Charak, Maharishi Sushruta and Vagbhar, these three are very important. Pioneered in the Indian medicine, science and surgery through their intense research and reached to the greatest height. Maharishi Charak has written book Charak Samhita, please underline. in which he has mentioned over 2000 medicinal herbs. Maharishi Sushruta has mentioned instruments used in surgery. Surgery means operation. Sushruta has mentioned instrument used in surgery. The instrument were too sharp that they would spill, means break. A single vertical hair in two division. Vagbhat has written a book, Vagbhat Samhita, not Samhita, Samhita. Is also very important work. Study of Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, and study of Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, and Vagbhat Samhita is very useful for every doctor. Today, doctors, herbal doctors are also useful these books. Hindu herbal science of ancient time is enriched with huge collection of minerals and medicines from plants and animals. Okay, this says detailed complicated process of making medicines, their classification and their usage. A shape bandage. They could skillfully operate an abdomen. Abdomen means pet. Kidney, cataract, hernia, stone, piles and bladder, etc. They could classify, also join the broken or displaced bones and extract the thin spares into the body easily and skillfully. Recognize symptoms and diagnose the disease. They also gave dietary directions after post recovery of diseases. They had knowledge of plastic surgery as well as joining nose and ears. Plastic surgery, you know. They showed the keen interest, means deep interest, teaching students of method of surgery. By doing surgery on the dead body or on the wax tissue, they conduct risky operations during delivery. They were expert gynecologist and pediatric, means gynecologist or pediatric child specialist. Veterinary science means animal science also developed in ancient India. They wrote books and diseases related to the horses, Ashwa. Ashwa is Sanskrit word, and elephant means Hasti. Among them, Hasti Ayurveda, Shalyotra and Ashwashastra are well known. The scholar, science writer of medicine Vagbhat made valuable contribution through his work. Ashtang Harde not means Ashtang Harde in the field of diagnosis. Next is mathematics. Next topic is mathematics. Who is this? You know, okay. Many epoch-making mathematical discoveries were considered to be made in India through which contemporary global affairs are carried out. Gifts of India to the world are discovered: zero, decimal systems, algebra, theorem of the geometry and arithmetic. Yes, Aryabhat discovered zero. The process of writing zero after figures was discovered by the sage named Gruth Samad. The ancient Indian mathematicians have decided the numbers made by placing 53 zeros after 1. Decimal system had been seen on the measuring and weighing instrument which had been made from the remains of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. It had been acknowledged by Medhatithi during ancient time. Bhaskaracharya has written books, Lilavati Ganit, please underline this, mathematics is also important topic, and Bij Ganit in 1150 AD. He discovered science of addition, plus, subtraction, minus. Brahmagupta introduced the types of equations. Bodhayan discovered theorem. Apstambh had decided the measurement of sacrificial pets used for Vedic yajnas in Shulvastras in 1800 BC. It also consists analysis of principles. Aryabhat had mentioned the value of pi is 22/7 in his book Aryabhattiyam. He also proposed that pi is constant to show the ratio of circumferences and diameter of circle. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, square root, cube root, etc. Ashtang method introduced by Aryabhat in his workings. Aryabhat is also known as the father of mathematics. Please underline. You see, I also underline here. Okay. Aryabhat okay. Moreover, he had written many other books like Dash Gitika and Aryabhattiyam. He has described main principles of astronomy. In short, in his book named Arya Siddhant, he found the solution of fundamentals of mathematics, is arithmetic and geometric. Apart from this, various aspects of mathematics has been discussed by many scholars in their books. Among them, the scholars like Buddhayan, Apstambha, Katyayan, Bhaskaracharya and Brahmagupta are included. Okay, dear students, next topic we will see in our next lecture. Okay, or is possible I will send tomorrow. Okay, thank you.